Hey, crafty family, and welcome to another video by She's So Crafty. It's another fun shopping adventure at the Dollar Tree, and in this video I am featuring lots of brand new $1.25 and $1.50 arrivals you don't want to miss. But first, I have to share these plus items I saw as soon as I walked in my store. So these are LED sculpted wax layered pillar candles. These are absolutely gorgeous, and look at these beautiful bright colors, great for spring that's coming up. So they have a modern kind of cut to them, and these are battery operated, but that outer thick layer is wax, so they look really realistic. Now that was the short one, and here is the taller one. The taller one is the same style, just a little bit taller, again with that same wax finish. Now the small one is 3 and the taller ones are 5, but these are really gorgeous. I have a feeling that these will not last, and I'm so glad that they put them out early to get a sneak peek. Also, they have these. Now, these are similar to the ones we saw in the fall collection, but look at the brand new colors. So these are also candles that have a flickering light, and they are battery operated. They have that beautiful green blue. You can get pink, and these would be great for spring and Easter and all of those holidays that are coming up. They also did have a yellow one as well. Now, this is the big one, and if you wanted a taller, slimmer one, they have that one too, in all of those same colors. These are just now starting to be put out on the shelves, so this is kind of like a sneak peek. Now the slim one is 3 and the larger one is $5, so make sure you check these out in your stores. They should be on the shelves soon. If you're looking for real candles, they did have jar candles. So these are 14-ounce Mediterranean cottage candles. They had them in fresh balsam. They have this one, which is like a cozy flannel. If you wanted another one, this one is warm apple pie. And they also have one that was pumpkin waffles. I love the design of these candles. And these are 3-wick candles on the inside. Now, I did find another one at this store, and this one is nice too. It's got lavender, chamomile. They do have one that is a calm meditation candle, and they have one that was a sea salt and river rock, again with a really pretty candle. Now I'm going to open it up just to show you. These are the 3-wick candles, so if you love a 3-wick candle, definitely check these out in the plus section, and these are $5 as well. A little sneak peek of what's coming up for Valentine's Day in candles. They have a couple of them: Bay Mine Vanilla Cashmere, Love Story Candied Strawberry, and Date Night Lilac Blooms. Again, 3-wick candles that are $5. On to storage. New year means organization. So I saw these brand new containers. These are the clear 12-quart and narrow storage containers. I love that these are nice and narrow, and I love that little swoop shape with the handles, you guys. These are really great, and these are $4 a piece. Now, if you wanted one that was slightly bigger, they have this one, which is a 22-quart size. And these are the wide versions of these containers. These are $5. See, with all those 25-cent fines that we're getting at Dollar Tree and all those things, we need a way to organize them. Check these containers out at the Dollar Tree. It's a brand new arrival. Now, they do have new storage items as well, especially the baskets. Now, this is a 2-piece basket collection here. So this one's a 2-piece set. This is in the small. You're going to pay $6 for 2 of these baskets. I don't consider these very small at all. They're pretty generous, and they're bigger than the 150 baskets in the 150 section. Now the next size up is the medium. This one is $4. You get one of these, but this one is a lot taller, where you can fit a lot of your taller items, folded clothing, whatever you wanted to do. And it has that nice weeded pattern on the outside. Now the large one is available as well, and listen, you can get these in 3 different colors as well. You can get them in blue, you can get them in tan, and you can get them in green. Now for the large container, this is that one. This is nice and big. I love the size of this one. So when you're looking at the large one, it is $6, but check it out. The large one is pretty large, but only the large comes with a lid for $6. The lids are stacked up right next to it, so make sure you don't forget your lid if you get a large container. So yes, you can get them in all 3 of those colors, and the large one does come with that lid. Now, if you like a basket with handles, they have that in all three colors as well. Check it out. These are nice. I love that it's square because it seems to take up less room in a lot of spaces, but I do love it that it has these handles. These are $6 if you wanted these larger baskets with the handles. So yes, check those out. They should be coming to shelves soon, if not already there. Now, this was definitely surprising. This is a Snack Stackers EAI Home Snack Box. These are so nice. I love that it has that airtight kind of silicone lid to go on top. It has 6 compartments, and this box is only $6, highly comparable to what you would get at Target. Now, this is the ivory one, but you can also get it in like a khaki or tan color as well. I love that it has a neutral palette. And then the last one I saw was a green one. I did pick up this green one. Now, it says it's a snack box, but you can use this for organizing just about anything that you want. It does have 6 usable compartments, so definitely craft room friendly. I did find another Libby item that I had never seen before. This is a large dish by Libby. It's a 50-ounce container, and I love that you can use it for multi-purpose, baking, freezing, and microwaving. This is another new item that just arrived. Also, if you're interested in electronics items in the plus section, I saw this voice controlled 15-foot LED strip light. How fun would that be? I did have to walk over to the scanner to check this one. This one was scanning for $7, but for voice controlled lighting, highly comparable to what you would find on Amazon. The large bamboo cutting boards, I'm so glad to see they disappeared for a while, but they are back in the plus section. This one is 12 inches by 6 inches, and it's only scanning at $5. Also, name brand K-Cup type coffees. This is the classic blend by Donut Cafe. $5 for 18 K-Cups, which is a bargain. That comes out to 28 cents each. But when I looked online and I found a 36 count box for $21.99, they're coming out to 61 cents each on Amazon. So definitely Dollar Tree for the win. So now let's head over and see those 150 and 125 items, you guys. The first thing I spotted was in the kitchenwares, the glass food containers. Oh my goodness, I was really excited to see all of these, and they had new colors to come out. These always sell so quickly. So here is the round one. It's 13.5 ounces. If you want the square glass dish, this one is 10.8 ounces. And I see these new colors in the pink and the green. Really, really nice. Now they also have one that was like a rectangle shape. They have that in both of the colors as well. That's 12.5 ounces. Now these glass containers are $1.50. Such a great deal just to grab up what you want and have a coordinating collection. I did find the new wipes. So remember, these used to be Joe Boxer. Now they're called swipe wipes. Now I found these in the eucalyptus face and body version. These are 30 count, and these are $1.25. If you see any of the bags with Joe Boxer on them, they are ringing up for a quarter, so look out for them. Now another swipe wipes bag is this one. This is the detoxifying face and body wipe for just $1.25. Still a great deal for 30 wipes per package. If you're looking for a new body wash, Coastal Vanilla has showed up at the Dollar Tree. They keep on adding new fragrances, and I am here for it. All the body washes are $1.25 right now, so definitely check out all of the new ones. And if you are a fan of the Brazilian Mist, they now have a hair spray. This is the first time I'm ever seeing it in my stores here for $1.25. I looked at the brushes, and this is a name brand by J Babe. This is a teasing and styling brush. I was really shocked to see something like this with a name brand, and it's only $1.25. Now, when I looked online to the J Babe website, it's ringing up for $3.09, so get it at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Must Have Beauty has some new items for nails. This is a multi-purpose nail tool, you guys. So you're basically getting 4 tools in one because they are double-sided. So if you do a lot of nail art or maybe any kind of painting, you might want to repurpose these. Definitely check these out for $1.25. They have toothbrushes out. These 8-count freshen up toothbrushes are a steal at $125. You can get an 8-count soft or an 8-count medium is what I saw in my store. And for $1.25, this is great to stock up on for toothbrushes for your family. Another name brand item spotted. This is the Amope Leg and Foot Hydrating Serum. Love seeing these name brands at Dollar Tree. It's only $1.25. I did take a look on Amazon. It's selling for $7.89 on Amazon, so grab it at the Dollar Tree. Now this is new. This is a Natural Sense Rice Water Hair Mist. I've never seen this before, but they just put it on the shelves at one of my Dollar Trees. So if you love doing the rice water hair mists, check it out for $125. Another name brand here. This is by Urban Therapy Twisted Sister. This is the hair elixir oil, $1.25. You guys, we all know this is much more expensive in the stores. When I took a look online at Walmart, they're selling them in a 2-pack, so that comes out to $10 a piece online. Get them for $125 at the Dollar Tree. Now they did have some brand new wood items in the craft section too I wanted to feature, and a couple of returning ones. So make sure you check out those wood items in the craft section. They're revamping the whole section, so I'm loving seeing all the new items, especially these. They have new diamond painting coaster patterns that were just released. They did have a set of 6 that was released a few months ago. Now they have 6 new patterns. So I'm excited about this. And I know when I showed them last time, there was a lot of excitement in the comments and people really enjoy them. They said they're very calming. It's a very relaxing activity. So make sure you look out for these. I only spotted these at one store so far, so they are on their way. I'm excited to see this. So make sure you check those out. They're still $1.25. I showed you a lot of candles last week, but this week I found some chocolate. Hershey's, s'mores, and Reese's scented candles, $1.25. Now I did also find some wax melts. I only saw them in a few. I saw them in s'mores, and I only saw them in Jolly Rancher watermelon. So I'm not sure if any more is going to show up, but I wanted to give you a heads up. They are coming out with wax melts with a couple of these scents, so be on the lookout. They're just $1.25. Don't forget the pets. They had new pet toys out, and this time in the Family Guy series brand. So they had a lot of the stuffed characters that you can buy from characters from this show. Now I did see 3 of the characters show up at my Dollar Tree. I'm not sure if they're going to show any more, but that's what they had. They also carried on some of the characters into the little tennis balls. 2 packs of tennis balls and characters like SpongeBob and Turtles. They also migrated over to Star Wars, and they had 2 packs of pet balls in there as well with Darth Vader. So make sure you check those out. I'm sure all the pets love to play fetch, so definitely keep those in mind. Now the characters didn't stop there. I went over to the kitchen section and I saw these little boxes with all these little characters on them. So the first thing I'm thinking, these would be great for a kid's craft area. You can put crayons and markers and scissors, paintbrushes, and all of the things in them. But I had to look a little further because I thought these were so neat, and they did have all the characters on them. You guys, I did not realize that this is a juice box holder. Who knew they had a holder for a whole juice box? So that was very interesting to me. Now I got to thinking about it, and you know how some kiddos will squeeze the juice box and the juice will go squirting everywhere? Well, this will prevent that. So I can totally get why they would have a solid juice box holder container. But as you can see, they had it in a ton of different characters. And don't forget last minute stocking stuffers. If you're still shopping for Christmas, they have a lot of licensed brand activity tins. I saw these. They showed up pretty late at my Dollar Tree, but these are great multi-item stocking stuffers. Activity kits. These are $1.75 since they're in the toy section, but make sure you go through them. Lots of different characters to choose from. Also, check out these game boards. These are wood. They really caught my eye because the first thing I'm thinking about is repurposing them in a craft. They did have a checkers game version, and they have this one with labyrinth. I think it is said that way. But yes, these are $1.75 as well. Up by the registers, don't forget to look by there. They had this flexible flower light. Never seen that before. They do offer this in multiple colors, and we know register items are $1.50. Also, another thing by the register is this item here. So this is a butterfly hanging decor piece. You can get this in pink, and you can also get it in purple. Really, really pretty. Definitely check that out. These items by the register are $1.50. Disco balls for the new year. Now, these are the larger disco balls that are 5 inches. You can get them in silver and gold, you guys. You can get them in silver and gold. Now, these larger ones are $1.50. So don't get those confused with the ones in the party section. Those are still $1.25. Now, a sneak peek on to garden, you guys. The new signs have started to come out, and these are the metal signs. First of all, a lot of these patterns are from last year, but look a little closer. The quality has upgraded. You could see it has more of a glossy finish. It doesn't look digitized. The paint and the colors look beautiful, and look at that shiny clear seal. You guys, these are so nice, much better than last year. But let me tell you, all the garden things have gone from $1.25 to $1.50, but I cannot be mad. The quality reflects that price increase. Now look at this one. The garden is my happy place. Beautiful sign. Something at Hobby Lobby would cost you much more than $1.50. Now they do have a lot of hook items. They have the hooks with the ladybugs on them. They have hooks with the little frogs on them. Those are really super cute. Also just $1.50. And then of course they've got all of your miniatures, your mini houses and mushrooms and garden items. Those are $1.50 as well, but those have returned from last year, so make sure you check those out. The stepping stones that are really thick, they are back as well. Now, I did notice there were some in the back, so I did have to pull the box out. They did have some pet themed one. They had this one that says home is where the dog is. Really cute. And these actually have a little weight to them. They also had a bee themed one. We know bees are really popular at Dollar Tree in the spring. They had that one. Now, if you wanted the floral stepping stone styles, they had the yellow flower and the purple flower. Now, there may be more to come, but this is what they had so far. And then all of your fairy garden miniatures, I can look at these and tell there has definitely been an upgrade, not only in packaging, but look at the variety. Everything has been upgraded, and I could see that why they increased it to $1.50. Now they do have the misters are back. Since this is part of the garden section, these are $1.50 as well. These are the glass ones. So yes, for the glass pump spray misters, these are beautiful. Now here's something brand new, the metal hook pack. It's in a 4-pack now. So you're going to get 2 hooks in one size and 2 hooks in another. And look, they're now offering them in a white option as well. Now, if you wanted the super large hooks, they have that in black and white as well. And I have crafted with these. You guys, the variety is expanded, and this is only a peek of what they have coming for the garden section. And check it out, you guys. They started putting out the Valentine's Day boxes. Now, I assume next week they will be unpacked. So hopefully I will be able to show you those then. Now, if you missed all of the 25-cent clearance scores I found this week, check out my video I posted on Sunday by clicking the link in the upper right-hand corner of this video, or click the link provided in the description box below. And also take a look at what I've created with Dollar Tree supplies by checking out my Dollar Tree crafts playlist, and it has hundreds of projects that will inspire you to get creative too. Now listen, I hope you find these videos helpful to make your shopping experience easier about knowing about the latest arrivals, the price changes, and store updates at Dollar Tree. If this helps you, let me know by leaving a thumbs up, and be sure to leave a comment letting me know your latest scores. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you'll be notified ahead of time when we go live. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.